Losing weight can be as simple as adding a spoonful of gelatin to your daily routine. Let me explain. It sounds too easy, but trust me, the gelatin trick is a game changer. I've seen people transform their bodies just by incorporating this one simple habit into their daily lives. The gelatin trick is all about using basic kitchen ingredients to create a natural weight loss aid. And the best part is, you likely have everything you need right in your pantry. My friend, who's a nutritionist, swears by the gelatin trick, and after trying it out myself, I can see why. It's not just about weight loss, it's about feeling more balanced and waking up without that sluggish feeling. The gelatin trick works by using the natural properties of gelatin to help your body absorb nutrients more efficiently. And when you do it right, you'll start to notice a real difference. Whether you're looking to drop a few pounds or just want to feel more energized throughout the day, the gelatin trick is definitely worth trying. To get started with the gelatin trick, check out the link in my description for a simple recipe you can try at home, and be sure to take a look at the pinned comment for some helpful tips from our community. Head to the link in my description now and start your journey to a healthier, happier you with the gelatin trick.